Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. How does Cisco help SMBs to be truly smart? Option A. Operational inefficiencies. Option B. Employee automation. Option C. Utilities cost control. Option D. Secure connectivity. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D, secure connectivity. Question 2. Which Meraki product is used in remote SMB work from home? Option A. Meraki Insight. Option B. Meraki MV. Option C. Z4 Teleworker Gateway. Option D. Meraki MT. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C, Z4 Teleworker Gateway. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.